Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to contact to Uber Eats customer service. In the beginning, I will tell you that there is no direct way to contact their support, but there are some ways you can do this. I will show you two methods. First of all, you need to open your Uber Eats app, go to account in the bottom right corner, scroll down until you will see help, click on it. Then you need to choose the topic you want help with it. For example, let's go to stores and let's choose account and payment. Let's choose Uber Cash. I want to switch a payment to Uber Cash and scroll down. Here will be form. You need to fill the form and you need to enter the details, guys, then click submit. So this is the first way how you can contact directly to Uber Eats support. Or another way is open your browser. In the Google search, you need to write contact Uber Eats support. Click the search button and open the first result, which is help.uber.com. Right here, you need to search for a topic, for example, membership and loyalty. Choose the topic and there will be a form. You need to fill the form and submit, guys. So this is the way how you can contact directly to Uber Eats support. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.